Hello, good evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and you join me at the wheel of a 2008 Transit Crew stroke camper van. Let's see how this handles, eh?
And one set of terms and language for Gaza. Why not be consistent?
I think. Anyway, here we go. I like the fact you don't have to be an ape to operate the gear lever, but I don't really like the fact that you have to be an ape to operate the handbrake still. Although in fairness it's higher than it was with older ones. This one's got quite a low mileage for its age actually, 99,000 miles. It actually feels quite comfortable, at least at this speed. And it's only a 5-speed actually, they're usually 6. Which I'm quite surprised at. Sorry, I'm just being overly cautious at the moment because I've had quite a busy day. It's just after the school hours. I have to swing this out because it's a long wheelbase, so I need extra you know, a bit like those Lincoln Town car drivers have. Bumpy clutch there, but never mind. In we go. What the hell is up with this thing? While I'm waiting for what he wants me to do, I'll just show you around it. Just a fairly simple Transit front, same as a Mondeo or a Focus, and the crew. Anyway, I better go. I will see you in the next one. Hello, for now.